Hey, so if you need to replace a drain hose on your washing machine, I guess I got a little video for you. Per usual, decided to film it halfway through, or if not further. But here we go. I got this universal hose replacement. They all look the same. They all connect the same. I assume the same. I don't know. This is the first one I'm replacing, but I'm pretty sure they're all the same, or most of them are. Yeah. Yeah, $10. I think $12 on Amazon. No need to splurge on this. Also, I thought I was gonna need a lot of tools for this job. No. Well, either this particular machine I got lucky on, could be because it's sort of a portable machine, although it's kind of large. But I didn't need any tools at all, pretty much. I do have enough grip strength to squeeze this bad boy open. The replacement one, I almost finished tightening, but you just screw it on, so you don't need anything for that. I was able to just pull this off, the old one. Here's the old one. I got this little hook from the old one, put it on the new one. The only thing I'm not super happy about is this plug. It goes in the back over there to hold the hose, but I'm having a hard time getting it on the new hose because it's slightly wider. It's just enough. But whatever, I'm just ditching it. I guess quick step by step. Close off those filthy things, or in my case, I shut off the water to the entire house. They're kind of bad, and I need to replace them, but I'm not doing it right now. You take this thing, unscrew it from the washing machine. That's how mine looks. Yeah, nothing crazy, just your usual stuff. The drain is usually just hanging here. It's not screwed in or anything for some reason. You should probably lay this on the side, not what I've done, but I don't feel like laying it on the side, so that's what I'm doing. Obviously, you make a mistake, this thing can fall on you. You don't want that. Also, the reason I didn't fully lay it on its side because I thought there's some water in there, and I didn't feel like cleaning up the mess in case I turn it over and shit starts pouring out. But I don't think there's actually anything in there because the last load I did, it drained it fully. Oh, in case you're wondering why I'm replacing it, there was a hole. The hell is this? What happened here? How? Did I pinch this? I don't understand how this happened, but yep, it's leaking from there. So on this machine, I just had this little cover at the bottom here, which is awesome because ease of access is great. I thought I had to unscrew this entire bottom, but thankfully I didn't. So anyways, unclamp this thing, pull it back, take the hose off, then yank it out from the back, put the new one in, and oh, since it's going to be universal, you may need to cut this. So I cut this off twice. I was really nervous because I thought this was the correct size, because this one kind of fits in nicely, almost flush. And I tried putting this on over there, and it fit well, but it was just slightly loose. And I'm like, yeah, when I tighten it, it'll probably be fine, but I don't know. So I kept messing with it, and like, it seems soft enough that I can stretch it. So I did. I was able to put it on perfectly. Now I just gotta tighten it, and I'm all done. So yeah, that's all really. And then you just gotta connect all the hoses back up and make sure nothing's leaking. And like really make sure nothing's leaking, you know, run a couple of cycles, test it out. I think you could tighten it by hand enough where it's not leaking, but if you don't have enough strength to tighten it, then I guess take some tool and tighten it just a little bit more, maybe like quarter of a turn, maybe even less. Just the barest minimum to make sure that it's not leaking, and maybe a tiny smidgen after that. If you mess up the whole connection, then yeah, you're gonna have more pain in the ass. That's about it. Hopefully this was useful. 4.5 minutes. Thanks. Bye.